Tesla has finally revealed the impregnable glass that will be on the most anticipated vehicle in the world, the Cybertruck. For any Tesla fan or anyone interested in cars, it's hard to forget that one time the Cybertruck was unveiled with an epic fail. Musk's unbreakable glass was shattered at the front and rear by a metal ball. Spoilers, it wasn't part of the show. While Musk gave a passable excuse as to why that happened, the CEO and his team didn't rest till they came up with an even better glass to feature on the Cybertruck. This glass is incredibly durable and won't be destroyed by a metal ball, not even a .50 caliber bullet. Join us in our video today as we tell you all about this glass and some spoilers about the upcoming Cybertruck. You don't want to miss this, as it promises to be exciting. What's this glass made of? Why is Musk backing it to be revolutionary in the automobile industry? Let's find out. A glass armor. One of the selling points of Tesla's Cybertruck is its durability. The EV has been touted as one of the strongest vehicles ever, and with some of the materials employed for every part of the vehicle, from its body to glass, it makes a pretty strong case, pun intended. That's why when the Cybertruck was unveiled in 2019, Musk had no problems allowing the company's chief of design, Franz von Holzhausen, to launch a metal ball at the vehicle. But to everyone's surprise, especially Musk's, the glass didn't hold well against the metal ball. It was epic. Musk was lost for words. Later, Elon Musk explained that before throwing the metal balls, von Holzhausen slammed the body of the Cybertruck just below the windows with a sledgehammer repeatedly, which was why the glass shattered. Not one to sit back and do nothing, Musk went back to the kitchen to cook up an even better glass for his special project, and the results are amazing. Several videos are already showing this new glass holding well against the same metal ball and even stronger external forces. So let's see through this new glass. As hard as Elon. For starters, why is this glass able to withstand the force of a metal ball? To answer that, we'd have to travel to Burlington, the headquarters of Cybertruck, a company touting itself as the only one producing transparent aluminum. Cybertruck calls its transparent aluminum Elon. Nope, we are not joking, that's the name. Who knows? That may be why Elon is using Elon. Either way, you get the gist. So what is Elon? It's a ceramic alloy of aluminum oxynitride, primarily composed of aluminum, oxygen, and nitrogen. This remarkable substance is entirely transparent and extremely strong. Transparent aluminum is 4 times stronger than fused silica glass, 3 times stronger than steel, and 85% stronger than sapphire. Elon is not only exceedingly strong, but also has an extraordinarily high melting point and may remain solid at temperatures as high as 1200 degrees Celsius. This implies it may be used for terms that require enduring extremely high temperatures while being transparent. It is also resistant to oxidation and radiation damage and is corrosion resistant. Many individuals who come across translucent aluminum question if it is the same aluminum we are familiar with. The correct answer to that question depends on how you define aluminum. Normal aluminum is abundant and utilized in a variety of everyday applications. It possesses all of the qualities of metal, including being thermally and electrically conductive. Transparent aluminum does not have all of the same properties as ordinary aluminum. Aluminum oxynitride is not a metal because it is composed of equal parts aluminum, nitrogen, and oxygen. Elon has been around for decades. Only in recent years have developments in this technology allowed translucent aluminum to be used in various applications. Now that we know that transparent aluminum is not just see-through aluminum, but a totally new substance, you might ask how it's made. Transparent Elon panels start as a flour-like white powder meticulously treated to assure purity. This pure powder is then pressed into molds and cooked for days in a 2000 degrees Celsius furnace. While baking, the Elon grains bind together, transforming the powder into an optically isotropic polycrystalline structure. Finally, it is thoroughly polished, and this polishing process generates transparency. The grinding and polishing steps of this material's manufacture bolster its strength and impact resistance. Elon is the hardest and arguably the best polycrystalline transparent ceramic material available today in terms of high optical clarity, repeatability, and great ballistic performance. Elon transparent armor saves more than 50% of the weight of glass-based armor, resulting in significant improvements in system performance and life cycle costs. With its toughness, Elon glass could outlast a Cybertruck by about 70 years with proper care and management. How ridiculous is that? This means Elon can be recycled over and over, thereby saving costs tremendously. This is aside from the level of protection it offers from all sorts of external forces. The Elon glass is undoubtedly another amazing addition to the remarkable EV, the Cybertruck. Earlier, when Musk reported that the Cybertruck could serve as a boat in areas that were not too choppy, he also hinted that the Cybertruck is going to be the vehicle from Mars, and with Elon glass, this makes sense. Why? Well, it's space-worthy. Elon is strong, has high compressive strength, and is optically transparent, allowing visible light, some infrared, and a little ultraviolet. The comparison of Elon to laminated glass, often used for spaceship windows, strengthens our position. The hardness of Elon is an 8 on the Morse scale, diamond is 10. A 50 caliber bullet that flies readily through 3.7 inches of laminate may be stopped by 1.6 inches of Elon plate. Unsurprisingly, Elon is the military's IT material for transparent armor and domes on the front of missiles. The missile's guiding sensors can see through the Elon dome, and its hardness avoids scratches and spits as it flies. As the windows of a spaceship would act as armor, testing Elon's performance in hypervelocity conditions is required. Micrometeorites and debris travel thousands of miles per hour and carry significantly more energy than bullets. The bigger the proportion of a ship's surface made up of windows, the greater the chance of impact, hence windows must be sturdy. Dr. Leslie Lamberson of the Colorado School of Mines, who studies impact physics, said, "When anything strikes your glass at these velocities, there's so much energy involved that you may have phase changes. Whatever the window is made of can go directly into the plasma state, so given its hardness, you could use Elon but with some stacking of other materials to aid with impacts." Experts concur that hypervelocity collisions would be the most difficult problem for the windows, and they recommend interim ballistic window covering for further protection if needed. It was also decided that due to Elon's physical qualities, windows could resist the circumstances involved with a spacecraft's many launches and re-entries. While Elon is useful for traveling to and from space and surviving in-space collisions, making it a reality is another matter. The larger the Elon, the harder. Elon was discovered many years ago, but several challenges affect its widespread use. One major issue is the cost of Elon. For context, Elon is about 5 times more expensive than laminated glass, costing about $10 to $15 per square inch. This means a square foot would cost around $1,440 to $2,160 compared to regular glass, which costs $3 per square inch. The high cost of Elon is directly related to its intricate production process. None of the stages in the production of Elon are simple or cheap. Impurities scatter light, reducing transparency. Chemical impurities also cause flaws in the final product, such as fractures or other structural flaws. Similarly, polishing Elon is a precise procedure that requires instruments capable of polishing ultra-hard material. The larger the Elon, the more likely something will go wrong. Great things don't come easily, and Elon Musk knows that all too well. Following the highly publicized glass disaster during the Cybertruck's unveiling, you can guess that Elon is leaving nothing to chance with the Cybertruck, especially with the glass. You know what they say, once beaten, twice shy. Rumors have it that the Cybertruck is being delayed because of several special additions Elon wants in the EV, and the glass is likely one of them. At the same time, Tesla could enter a partnership or deal with Cermet for Elon. We imagine with Musk being who he is probably looking for a way to make the manufacturing process of Elon cheaper. Tesla has a material science and glass department, so if they haven't cracked this yet, they will do so soon. Do you think there's a better material for the Cybertruck's glass? Do you think the Cybertruck is worth the delay? We guess time will tell, but if you want to see more interesting videos, click the video above. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on the most interesting Elon Musk news.